What is up, everybody? My name is Tony and welcome back to Raw the Details. In today's video is gonna be like we're gonna be doing a setup. We're gonna try to put it together, and the setup is gonna be on this nice 5x8 trailer. It's a brand new trailer. This is, I think, 2019, so it's a nice trailer. So as you guys can see, he already painted in the inside. He paints the entire thing, you know, the floor and everything, so that looks real nice. And it has this little side door over here. So yeah, like I said, guys, it's very nice. So we're gonna do this water tank, and then we're gonna do all the equipment on that side, on the back side. So, and over here on the future, he's planning to do like a shelf or something like that on the B nose, but that's gonna be on the future. So far, guys, we're gonna start right now. We have everything kind of ready over here. We got some tools over here, and the equipment, we got a 65-gallon water tank, and over here is what we're gonna be using. We got the generator, air compressor, hose, and things like that. So we're gonna install as much as we can. Today we got about 6 hours to work on it, so let's get started. That's gonna be a live unboxing.
Oh, you're doing a live unboxing?
No.
Go ahead.
While we're working on this awesome, it's gonna be an awesome setup. And we're gonna see what we got in here. Justin is gonna tell us what it is.
Maybe it's something for me. Yeah, maybe it's something for me.
Justin from Justin's Auto, what is it?
Auto Care Plus Mobile Detailing.
Auto Care Plus Mobile Detailing.
Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
There you go. Oops.
Whoa!
Oh.
Like a little case here.
Oh, sorry guys for the shakiness. Let's see what we got in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes. So we're gonna be testing this little guy, and we will let you guys know what it is, on how it's working and all that stuff. So SPTA 1-inch polisher, battery operator. Awesome.
I like that little thing.
So that was a quick unboxing, guys, for you guys while we're working on this setup. All right, it's gonna be nice. Thank you, Justin, for helping me out
No problem,
to
buddy.
do this unboxing. Appreciate that. All right, guys, so far we've been dealing with this thing for many hours already. We got the plumbing done. We got the plumbing just like the way I got mine, okay? To make things simple and easy, and that's the way it looks now. So the water tank is strapped, and we high it up a little bit so for gravity feed. There is the pressure washer already bolted down to the floor of this trailer, And the way we put it is like this. It's kind of crooked because that way the exhaust is gonna point this way, like this. Same thing with the generator. Okay, so far that's the way we got it. Let me show you on the other side. Here is where we've been working. That's the filter right there, and that's how it looks. All right, now we're gonna start working on the shelf and supports for the rails. Okay, let's keep going. All right, guys, so before it gets dark, this is what we got so far. This is where all the rails are gonna be. We already got the pressure washer, like I said. Water tank is in place, and over here we're gonna set a shelf on the other side where there's gonna be the vacuum on the other side, air compressor, kind of like the same setup I have. So that's what we're doing, and that's what we got, guys. So far we still got to mount something to support the generator, maybe. We're still thinking about how we're gonna do it. All right, so as you guys know, I'm a big fan of the Unistrap. This is what I normally use for a lot of my projects, and yeah, we're gonna keep going, and we're gonna be in time lapse right now. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, quick update. We got the rails already, vacuum, air compressor over there, and that's what we got. It's already late, super late, so we're gonna see, we're gonna put everything on place, but this right here is, we're gonna continue because he is gonna come back to pretty much, this is just like I said, to keep him going, and we're gonna make it look good. But so far right now, this is what we got. We put like a little shelf right there, which on, you know, later on we're gonna put some type of vinyl on top and all that stuff. We got that right there, support. It's good, it's sturdy, it's not going anywhere. We can pretty much jump on this or whatever. So
this is why Tommy Ralda believes in Unistrap. I'm 185 pounds, 6 foot even, and I'm putting all body weight up here with an air compressor and a vacuum cleaner sitting here. So and it ain't moved not one time. It ain't budging. There's no wiggling. That's the trailer wiggling there, but it's not going anywhere.
So thank you buddy for those words right there. Love it how it looks and everything. That's bolted right there with that L bracket, same thing on 4 legs. The plumbing is done, so yeah, we got just a little bit more to go, and then it's gonna be done. But anyways, whenever he got everything done, he can take a video for us and send it to me. That way we can pretty much finish. He got these little nice shelves over here, I like him. He got one on each side, and he got some nice products over there. Yeah, so all right guys, I think that's gonna be it. But like I said, I'm gonna finish this video whenever he send me, you know, a video whenever he's using the setup technically. So all right guys, all right, one last shot guys. Here we go. That's what we did. Got his generator right there. Awesome. Take care, bro. That was it, guys. You're welcome back. Take care. See you in the next one, guys. And by the way, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.